Alright, 6K in the account right now as I'm speaking to you. From Funded Next, I'll share my promo code in case anybody's interested. I'll come to the description, um, check the description to signify you're interested to get funded like I have done. I'll share my promo code so that you get funded and you trade. Use another trading strategy because of course, every day we have to, okay, okay, we have to, update our trading strategy towards works perfect. Though I've been a fan and a lover of the 50 EMA, and you can see that red line there, this red line here. The red arrow is my 50 EMA. I'm getting an email. Let me see. Okay, 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 perfect. So this is my 50 EMA, and what I do is to respect this 50 EMA as a controller of my market. The 50 EMA is my boss. I don't do anything against the 50 EMA. Before I do anything, I look at the 50 EMA and I say 50 EMA. To say yes sir, I'll say where are you, to show me its position. Right now it's telling me that this market is for sale, whereas my, what is it called, my order confluence, which is the I need to put, because I'm updating this 50 MA here, I need to make it a reddish color. I need to make my 80 MA blue color. Oh, pardon me, guys. Okay. 50 MA should be a reddish color. I have another chart which I funded as well. I'm funded in two charts. So that is the chart I'm checking. You can see because of the 50 MAs here, this thing cannot close above it. So guys, guess what I'll do here now? I'll blindly sell. I've not finished talking, that I'll blindly sell. This thing is going down. So I'll blindly sell. My target is to take my profit here. Used one. Boom. Okay. No stop loss. Don't worry, 50 MA is doing its work. But if you see that it's getting worse, then I'll just close the trade. Oh, that's by the way. So how do you trade? Very perfect question. Very, very lovely question. Just 1 minute, I'm coming. I'm setting up something in my other account, in my private mobile phone. GDP, GPY, GDP, GPY, where is it at? 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 Yeah, boom. Okay, I can see this trade in my order, this thing now, though I don't want to sell there. Let me just see how it turns out to be. Profit, profit is coming, profit is coming, profit is coming, profit is coming. So why is it, why, why is this thing different from my GDP, GPY? This one is telling me to buy and this one is telling me to sell. Let me see again. GDP, GPY is different from the one I have. This one is telling me to sell. 15 million, where are you? Okay, I don't use this guy anymore. I used to check for it. Okay, guys, oh, pardon me, I'm yawning. I'll briefly explain my new trading strategy. I used to add the confidence here. Let me see, relative strength index. Yes, that is it. No editing, nothing. Sometimes I can come to these levels and then I'll change the color of these levels. I'll make it red and I'll make it strong. Touch line, and that is it. No editing, no editing. Okay, nothing else will be me. Nothing should be. In that level, I used to use red. It's not important at all. Okay, and back, see, back. Yes, this is what I want. This is the RSI. That is the 50 EMA. The red one, the red line is the 50 EMA. Okay, the price is different here. And the blue line, I have 3 EMAs on my platform right now. This one is 5 EMA. It's not useful, but I just keep it there because I used to use it to, this one is 8 EMA. Anyone you want to use, simple or whatever EMA you want to use. Fantastic. Alright. And this one is my 50 EMA, the red one. So the red one now gives me the direction of the market. Mostly, I'll say you should wait for the confidence from these ones. These ones, whenever it crosses over here, like here, crosses over, just buy. Come and see here again. It crosses over each other. 50 EMA is supporting it. Like now, 50 EMA told me support trend. I'll close my eye and buy. It crossed over here. 50 EMA told me support trend because you can see the 50 EMA is at the bottom side. It's buy. Here it's buy. Here it crosses over, buy, and here it crosses over, sell. Though 50 EMA told me it's upward trend. Okay, I did not even trade this one. This is a new week. It just trade down so flat. Alright, that is by the way. So now it's having a resistance, which is my 50 EMA there. It will be difficult to push past my 50 EMA. So I would have waited for 50 EMA to add the confidence because I use these guys to trade. Use my 8 EMA and 5 EMA. I use them to trade. And I don't use my 50 EMA to trade. Right. But most times whenever I see a resistance like this, which is, you can see I'm making profit here, which my 50 EMA is showing that, bro, we can't go further. What I do is to listen to my 50 EMA and say the opposite direction, because I know these guys are not like a resistance guys, so let it go through, right? But before you say, you have to make sure that your 50 EMA is doing the said stuff. um you have to make sure that your chart is doing the same stuff, the said stuff your 50 EMA is proposing. Alright. So I don't be in a case where your 50 EMA is saying it's a downward trend, whereas your chart is having that momentum to push break it and you're now selling. That is another confidence again. And let me see if it will come down. I'm going for 137 long. If it will come down to each of these 137, that should be $300 as this buy. Somebody will be asking me, what about the RSI? Yes, I forgot talking about it. That red zone there, 70, you can see if you look to the right, you can see 100% of RSI. But if it goes to 70% of the red zone of RSI, guess what? I want to buy. Alright, you can see 70%, the price is coming down. Sometimes it will come down to the middle and to go to 70% again. Alright. But if it goes to 30%, which is, we have RSI 70 and RSI 30, you can see once it touches the 30, it will now be going upwards too. But sometimes it can still come down to 30 before touching the 70. It happens. The RSI is not, it's just there to tell me that, oh boy, they have sold a lot of these charts. Don't say any further. Let me go to down on my GDP before in this chart and see if I can just say alongside what I'm doing right now. Three, four. Yeah. I wanted to cross my 50 EMA first, and then I'll hit that sell button. I have another chart which I'm looking at. I was funded next in this other chart, and this other one I was okay. This thing is going down for real, for real. You can see these people are not resistant. They'll just let it go through. I just wanted to close below my 50 EMA and my this thing, and then I'll take that. Say, just want to do double confirmation. You can see the other block there cannot even hold it. You can see. I came to this trade. I wanted to buy that trade this morning in my other mobile phone. I was like, no, calm down, calm down. You can see. This is going down here. Almost there. Let's see. 5 minutes has confirmed the movement, but I prefer using 15 minutes. I don't know why. 5 minutes has confirmed the movement in my other chart. And 15. Which one was I looking at? 15 minutes. 15 minutes has not confirmed the movement. So my other chart is trying to push past it. You can see for yourself that we are making small money from this thing. You can see. You can see that is a live chart. You can see. Sure, you can see. Sure, you can see. No, this is not fake. 5 minutes should come. Is and if we go, sure you can see. So I've taken one share from my other charts. Hopefully this will not disappoint me. Mm-hmm. What's happening? This thing is GDP GPUI. Or is it a different pair? Because the charts are different. Yeah, charts are different. So in this other chart, I've taken a last here. Okay, I use 0.5 here. Now that the money is less. So taking a last here, I'm targeting $50. Whereas in this other chart, I've taken is and I'm targeting 300 bucks. Alright, sure you can see that this thing is not fake. You can see, and this thing is like color riot here. It's so compressed. Can't you can differentiate color. But another thing I used to observe too is the direction of this market. This thing, higher time frame is telling us that, bro, this thing is upward trend though. It's upward trend though. It is upward trend though. Yeah. Even GDP was trending, it was going upward yesterday. I think it has to rest today. It's upward trend though. That's what my higher time frame is telling me. Bro, this thing is upward trend. Wait a minute, wait a minute. What am I saying here? Where's my 50 MA? Yeah, my 50 MA is below. It's upward trend though. I'll hold it for some time. Alright, that is just a brief video I just wanted to talk about what I've been doing, what I've been up to lately. You know, um, I'll put more money into these accounts. Hopefully, let me see how it perform this week, and I will decide to add more money to the account, increase my funding. Okay, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. GDP JPY is upward trend. We're cutting on that. Close profitable first. Close losing position. So GDP JPY is upward trend. 1 day is upward trend. So anybody who is in that 50 MA, be careful because you need to check the history of what this thing is before you do that. Alright. So GPGPY has disappointed me as a teacher. Okay, bro, just align with your upward trend. Let's take you and start going up. Cause me, I don't really understand. I can't fathom this. Hmm, this is beautiful. Bitcoin USD. And this BTC USD now, I want to check 1 day so that I will not be making this mistake. This is a downward trend. I want to check 1 week. This is a downward trend, so 15 minutes will not kill us. Oh fuck, this is disabled. Ah, okay, let me see BTC. Okay, I'll just call it a day here. If you think this is impactful, is nice tutorial, please follow me for more. Subscribe, support us. Let's do something great together. Bye.